Hello. This lecture is for students who want to study Russian language or to repeat, to review. Today we are going to learn 9 Russian verbs in imperative mood. Russian imperative mood forms different ways, and these verbs have some kind of similarity. 8 of them, one is a little bit different, and we are going just to study it. On the top of this slide, you see, guys, the rule, number 1, and some kind of rule in Russian. They can translate you that rule, but while you are breaking your head what that means, applying it, you are not going to study these rules. What you need, students in languages, I teach all my life, and I study all my life languages, and I know practice, 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 repetition, repetition, repetition. Okay? And this rule, by the way, on the top we have глаголы с ударным окончанием в форме первого лица, the verbs with stressed ending, vocally stressed ending, which are in the form of the first person единственного числа, singular, которому предшествует согласный, in front of which goes consonant sound. Who's going to understand this and who's going to remember like that? Nobody. Of course, when children, they have to memorize rules, and this is the way learning goes. But adult people, we study languages, we just practice and repeat. This is how we study. Okay, and I'm going to explain what is what. And let's look right away on the right side, on the black background, very, it's like blitz review, very fast review. And maybe right now you will not understand it, but later, after my explanation, you sure will very well, know those verbs. And there is our imperative mood of this in different order, these 9 verbs which we are going to study today. The first is ляг. I repeat each of them 3 times. Ляг, ляг, ляг. It's kind of informal form to say lie down, ляг. Usually ложись, and this is informal when we speak to a friend or to a child. Ты, okay, ты. Ляг, we can say ляг. Сиди, the second one, сиди, сиди. Sit, like for example, sit quiet, сиди. Сиди тут, sit here. Сиди, сиди, сиди. It's almost like English CD, but you see the pronunciation of Russian CD, CD, very soft. The first one, C, 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 D, D, D. Okay, so don't say CD. CD, пиши, пиши, пиши. Write, write, write. The first one is P, 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 kind of a soft P, not P, P, P. P, шы. Шы is шы, шы. It's kind of not hard, not soft, it's a sibilant sound. Пиши, 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 пиши. Write, write. W-R-I-T-E, this one, write. To write something, a letter. Пиши, пиши письмо. Сиди и пиши. Sit, sit and write. The next one is возьми, возьми, возьми. The stress falls on the second syllable. That's why we pronounce the first, the letter O. We pronounce A. Возьми, возьми. Don't say возьми because you will have a strong accent. Okay, возьми. When non-stress position O pronounced as A. Возьми, возьми. Take, take. Возьми. These all are fast actions right now, have to be done right now. Compared to other imperative mood, which will be like a stretched long time. For example, бери, this will be different, okay? This one is a fast action. Вернись, вернись, come back, вернись, 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 come back, come back, come back. And as we see here, we have very reflexive ending, come back, вернись. Принеси, the next one. Принеси, all of them very soft. Принеси, for I call them soft. I, e, vowels. For them, we press our muscles when we pronounce lips and muscles of the mouth, we press them, we tense them, we make them tense. And this is how we make this soft pri, не, si, не, very soft compared to, for example, Spanish, ne, or other languages, net in English, okay? So this is no, net. Не, Russian is very soft. So you press your muscles in the mouth harder and you have this softness. Принеси, bring it, bring something, принеси. Вернись, принеси. Come back and bring something with you, принеси. The next is подожди. By the way, if to remove the first two letters, по, we have дожди. Дожди is rains. Has nothing to do here, but it just when we look at the lettering, we see that. Подожди. Wait a moment. Wait. Hold on. Подожди. Hold on. Подожди. The next. Запомни. Remember that. Remember. Запомни. And the last one. Приходи. Come. For example, come in the evening. Приходи. Okay. Приходи ко мне. Come to my place. Приходи. And now let's look at how we form them. We are looking now, here at a green frame, and this is simple future forms. Simple future compared to we have two futures in Russian. We have very few tenses compared to English. English has 16. We have very few, like only four of them, or something like that. And we have two futures, okay? One future is like this simple future because it consists of one word, okay? Я лягу. All of these forms, first person. Я лягу. I will lie down right now. Я лягу. One more time, it's kind of fast action future. Я лягу. I will lie down. Я вернусь. I will come back. Я вернусь. I will come back. Я возьму. I will take something or pick up, for example. Я возьму. Принесу. The next one. I will bring. Я принесу. The next. Я подожду. I will wait. And the next, in the green frame, я запомню. And now we are going to create from these verbs imperative mood in the first column, informal form, as you speak to a child or to your close friend. Ты. We speak ты. Same as in Spanish, tú. We can compare it with Spanish or with French, German too. But in English we have only you. Nowadays. But not in old English. Okay, so let's create this imperative mood in informal, with informal ты. Ляг. To a child, you say. Ложись also correct, but ляг also, fast action. Вернись. Come back. Возьмите. Take something, grab something, возьмите. Oh, sorry, this is a misprint here, I will correct here. Возьми. The next is принеси. Bring something, bring it. Подожди. Hold on, wait, hold on. Подожди. Запомни, remember, memorize. Запомни. Запомни мой телефон. Remember my telephone. Запомни мой адрес. Remember my address, and so on and so forth. And now we have formal or plural form. In Spanish we have usted, formal, or ustedes, plural formal, or just plural. You speak to many students, for example, and you say лягте. Also not very, we have ложитесь. We have more kind of, say, Polish, more kind of like, maybe formal, more polite, maybe. Ложитесь. But лягте also we can use, okay? Лягте. Вернитесь. Come back, plural. Вернитесь, or formal. Вернитесь. возьмите, возьмите, возьмите. Take it with you. Возьмите, возьмите. Look how soft everything. Возь, soft sign we see there. Мите, all very soft. Возьмите. These are difficult for Spanish. I'm sorry, for English speakers. These are difficult to pronounce. Softness. This softness is difficult. Принесите, принесите. All of them very soft. Принесите. Come, bring with you, bring here. Принесите, принесите. Подождите минутку. Wait a moment. Подождите секунду. Wait a second. Подождите. Wait. Запомните. This one has a stress on O. The previous ones had ite. Okay, stress which underlined with red. Запомните. Remember. And now in the pink frame we see 3 verbs. I separated them because they are present forms. Я сижу, I sit, or I am sitting. In Russian language we have only one present. We don't have continuous or simple. We have only one present. Я сижу, I am sitting, or I sit. Я сижу. Я пишу, I am writing. I write. Я пишу, I am writing. Я пишу, I write every day, or I am writing right now. Я пишу. Only one word to remember, only 4 letters. Very easy. Я пишу. Я прихожу. I'm coming someplace. Or I come every day. Я прихожу. And from this, the informal imperative mood will be сиди. Will be another one сядь right now, or сиди, sit quiet, for example. Сиди тут, sit here. We have one more сядь right now, sit down. It will be different. Сядь like the other one. Ляг, we have сядь also. But that will be enough here for right now. Сиди. For example, сиди тихо. Sit quiet. Sit quietly. Сиди. Пиши. Right now. Пиши. Write your letter or write your, something. Пиши. Teacher says to a child in the classroom. Пиши. Write it down. Приходи ко мне. Come to my place. Приходи сегодня. Come today. Приходи. And now formal forms. Сидите тихо. To plural, to many students, teacher says in the class, sit quietly while I'm out for a couple seconds. Сидите. Sit quietly. Сидите. Пишите. Write. Пишите. Keep writing. Пишите. Imperative, plural. Приходите. This is like invitation. Come. You invite your friends. Come. Приходите ко мне сегодня. Come to me today. Приходите. And let's repeat them one more time now in horizontal manner, horizontal line. We are going to repeat all of them. Starting from left to right, with a green frame. Я лягу. I will lie down. Ляг. Lay down right now. Informal. Лягче. Lay down right now. Formal or plural. The second line. Вернусь. Я вернусь. I will come back. Fast future, simple future. Я вернусь. I will come back. Imperative. Вернись. Informal. Вернись. Formal. Вернитесь. Plural. Вернитесь. Come back, please. Вернитесь. Number 3. Возьму. Я возьму. I will take. Я возьму. Я возьму книгу со стола. I will take a book from the table. Я возьму. Возьми. Take it. возьмите. Take something. Возьмите книгу со стола. Take a book from the table. Принесу. Я принесу. I will bring. Future. Я принесу книгу сегодня. I will bring a book today. Я принесу. Принеси. You say to a child or to a friend, принеси мне воды. Bring me some water. Принеси мне воды. Принеси. Bring me. Formal or plural. Принесите. Принесите, пожалуйста. Bring, please. Принесите, пожалуйста. Bring here, please. The next one. Я подожду. I will wait. Я подожду. I will wait. Informal. Imperative mood. Подожди. Formal plural. Подождите у телефона. Wait near the telephone. Подождите. The last one in the green frame. Запомню. Я это запомню. I will remember this. Я запомню. I will remember. Я запомню твой номер телефона. I will remember your telephone number. Я запомню. Запомни. This is informal. Remember my telephone number. Запомни мой номер телефона. Запомни мой телефон. Запомни. Polite formal. Plural. Запомните мой телефон. Remember my telephone. Запомните. In the pink frame. Я сижу. I sit. I'm sitting. Я сижу. I'm sitting. Сиди. Sit here. Сиди. Plural. Сидите. When invitation is a little bit different, садитесь, пожалуйста, we say садитесь. Сидите, it's like sit here, сидите. It's kind of imperative, it's kind of more order, like order, you give order. Сидите тихо. Я пишу. I'm writing. Я пишу. Пиши. Write. Пиши. Keep writing. Пишите, plural. Пишите мне. Write to me. You are leaving today, so write to me afterwards. Пишите мне, пожалуйста. Write to me, please. And the last verb is прихожу. Я прихожу. I am coming. I come someplace every day. Я прихожу. Imperative. Приходи ко мне. Come to me. Приходи. Plural. Приходите. Come over to our place. Приходите, пожалуйста. Come, please. Приходите. Thank you.